Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. We're in Atlantic City, New Jersey. I'm taking you to Caesars. We're going to be seeing Hook tonight. Hook is a Spiegelworld production, and it is adult only. You could find Hook on the Boardwalk, but you could also enter through Wild Wild West, which is located next to Caesars. I met my friend Diana here, who has tickets for me. We're entering through the Horse Dive Bar. This is a popular place for those that are looking to have a cocktail before or after the show. If you buy a cocktail here, you could also bring it into the show. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to see this show for so very long. My friend Diana achieved Diamond Status Plus with Caesars, so she gets a lot better comps than I do, like free show tickets. I'm so delighted and grateful that she asked me to come with her. This is my first time seeing this theater, which is now called the Hook Theater. This once was the Warner Theater that opened in the 1920s, but it's been all remodeled. Come check it out. This venue has 414 seats, and you could buy your tickets through Caesars or Ticketmaster. There is a box office on site with limited hours. There is also a Superfrico restaurant as well with a happy hour. The seating is a combination of booth-style seating as well as table and chairs. Now, most importantly, what is Hook? It was acrobats, contortionists, comedians, jugglers. It was sexy. It was funny. It was a lot of different things all wrapped in one. I was surprised and laughing at the same time. I think most people would like this. The prices are a little high, so if you get comp tickets, grab them. Just waiting for the show to start. I hope you enjoy this tour of Hook. It is April 2025, and Hook tickets are currently available from Wednesday through Sunday with 2 performances on Fridays and Saturday nights. And a very big thank you to my friend Diana for the opportunity to be here. God, some of these people are so strong. Also in this video, I went to Caesars to go gamble. They were having a 5-time multiplier. That's going to be a separate video. I couldn't put it all in one video. It was way too long. This show was so surprising. You never knew what was going to come out next. They even had rock lobsters. Great show if you love music. The music and the lighting was fantastic. Great sound and acoustics. You really felt it. Definitely a high-end production. There wasn't any full nudity in the show, but it did get a little risque. Can't say I've ever seen this before. Then there's this guy. I could see how this show gets a cult following. I'm having such a hard time with the copyright claims on this song, so I had to axe it. I was thinking of cutting it, but no, I couldn't. Just fair warning, if you are a jealous dude, you may not want to put your wife or your girlfriend in the front row, because she may get picked. I never personally have been to a male strip club, but I can imagine this is probably how it is. I was looking at my friend Diana that brought me there and got me the tickets and say, wow, what have you brought me to? That was one serious quick change. How did you get those pants off? He left the crowd in shock and awe, and then all of a sudden he disappeared through the ceiling. Yes, there is something definitely here for everyone. I personally loved it. There was so many oh my God moments. I was laughing so hard. I was almost crying at some points, laughing so hard. I thought it was a really nice production. Have you seen the Hook show in Atlantic City before? Do you want to share your experience with me? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you want to know more about Atlantic City and things to do and where to stay, I'll leave some playlists at the end of this video that you could binge so you could plan your trip to Atlantic City, New Jersey. Is Hook a right fit for you? You tell me. I thought it was fun. you are still with me, you are a total rock star, and I really appreciate you watching my video tours. Thinking of coming to Atlantic City, New Jersey? Just do it. Book that trip and pack your bags and go. If you want to have a drink right after the show, the bar is right there. But Diana and I are going to head over to Caesars. There's a 5-time multiplier today at all Caesars resorts. She's staying over at Harrah's, but she's going to gamble here with me a little bit and show me some of the tricks that she has learned that she uses when she gambles on slot machines. That will be in my next video. But until then, enjoy some of these tours right here. Just click on a playlist that you want to see. If you want to know more about Atlantic City, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of information and tours I'd like to share with you. Always remember to be good to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you, and good luck in the casinos.